namaste and hello to the people of the globe. I am Richa Pandey. I am PhD student in Kaohsiung Medical University, and today I will be telling you some of the very fantastic things about this beautiful island Taiwan and why I am here for my education. And after landing here today, I really have no regrets coming here. They have three types of scholarships: type A, type B and type C. So for type A, they will cover your every semester fees, and also they will provide you with the accommodation fees, everything. So all the details about the scholarship you will find in the website itself. Here is a very quick introduction about my university campus and the life here. For the food, I still have some struggles because we Indians, we don't really eat pork or beef, and here people are more like eating these kind of meats. But at the same time, they do have some vegetarian options. So sometimes I do go there and have my meals, but most of the times I prefer to cook. And second thing, for language, so I never found that Taiwan is so much into like Chinese, or I really need to know Chinese before coming here. No, with the local people, I also feel there is no need, because most of the people can speak very basic English, and also most of the things can be understood by action itself. And also you can use Google Translate here anytime. So people are very flexible, very friendly in Taiwan. So you really no need to worry that that if you don't know Chinese, you have to struggle here. If you have a scholarship, it will be a great advantage for you, and you really no need to struggle like looking for a part-time job, because Taiwan do provide good scholarships here. You can opt for a part-time job also. Here they do have English teaching things. So many foreigners are really into these part-time professions here, and Taiwan government also give this certain hours and even the work permit to the students who can do the part-time job. At Kaohsiung Medical University have a very organized and very good student student dormitory for international students. And at the same time, as I told you, they are covering the accommodation charges also in the scholarship. So you are really like staying in a very relaxed environment. No need to worry about payment of rent or electricity bill that university take care of. For outside also, it is easy to find flats here. So they have certain websites here through which you can easily find rooms or flat for rent. So here it is a bit challenging to find a house where the landlord is really allowing you to cook, and also if a house has kitchen. So yeah, here sometimes houses don't have kitchen. Kaohsiung Medical University also provides with many extracurricular activities for international students. So they organize these trips, and they show us around this beautiful island. They also introduce us with their own culture and festival inside the university. At the same time, they also respect this international culture, and they allow us and support us to celebrate our own festival inside the campus. So recently we have been like celebrating Diwali and Pongal with a great enthusiastic environment. The lab environment here really very good. The labs are highly like sophisticated with very good instruments. So they do allow students to work on very high sophisticated instruments, and they also provide this free training programs for the students to learn all these skills here. So you can really develop a very good confidence in the field of research. Apart from lab, the social life of Taiwan is also very good. After coming Taiwan and in Kaohsiung, I feel I can really breathe and have this work-life balance. So my own personal life here after lab hours is very relaxing, and you can see around me. So this city is really having very beautiful parks, and people are like spending their time with the family. And right now I'm also in the park with my own little dog. You can see at the back he's jumping here there. Bruni! Yay, my dog! My cute dog Bruno. So this is how I really spend my time after lab hours with this cute little puppy. So here is a glimpse of Kaohsiung city, and you can see how the city has got all the facilities and the amenities for the people, and also at the same time the beauty of the city you can also see here in this video. So the most important thing you need to really listen to me that this is the safest country on the planet, because safety is everyone's concern. And you can see in this COVID-19 pandemic, Taiwan is the only country without going any kind of lockdown, and still we are living our life the way we want with the great safety measures here government is taking for each and every individual. It's about taking a chance and making a right decision, which can change your whole destiny. Choose right, choose freedom, choose safety, and choose quality. Welcome to Taiwan and welcome to Kaohsiung Medical University.